Rolls-Royce Cullinan, all-wheel drive luxury SUV of the full-size category and, at the same time, the first car of this format in the history of the British automaker, named after the largest rough diamond in the world. The world premiere of the crossover was held on May 10, 2018, as part of a special event in London, but the British began developing it back in 2015. Allegedly, the brand's customers asked the carmaker to produce a cross-country vehicle that would combine all the traditional features of Rolls-Royce passenger cars. The all-terrain vehicle, which became one of the largest representatives of its class, received an impressive design, progressive technology, and the highest level of equipment. The exterior of the Rolls-Royce Cullinan is difficult to describe as gorgeous, but it impresses at first sight. The car looks majestic, elegant, and brutal. Front SUV inspires awe and respect due to the vertical-monumentally contours with small rectangular headlights, massive chrome, shield, grille with vertical slats, and faceted bumper. Inside, the Rolls-Royce Cullinan meets VIPs with an atmosphere of luxury and comfort. The interior of the crossover looks presentable and modern, but at the same time very restrained, without any design twists. Right in front of the driver is a heavy 3-spoke multi-steering wheel with an elegant hub and a digital instrument cluster with a 12.3-inch screen, and on his right side is the noble center console, crowned with a color display of the multimedia system and laconic block of the climate system. The interior of Cullinan is 5-seater in default. Front seats are placed in comfortable armchairs with a well-expressed lateral profile, set of electric adjustments, heating, ventilation, and other delicacies, and for back passengers, there is a hospitably formed 3-seater sofa with optimum rigidity of its filling. For an extra fee, the second row can be equipped with 2 separate seats with electric settings, and other benefits of civilization, and a massive console in the middle. In it, a refrigerator and a cabinet for drinks with branded glasses. Under the hood of the Rolls-Royce Cullinan is a 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12 engine coupled with an 8-speed ZF automat. The engine develops 571 horsepower and 850 Nm of torque. The top speed of the 4-wheel drive all-wheel drive SUV with a fully controlled chassis is electronically limited to 155 miles per hour. The list of driving modes of driving electronics includes off-road preset off-road. However, the car has neither locking differentials nor reduction gear, so it is not suitable for conquering full off-road. Traffic safety is ensured by adaptive cruise control, automatic braking with pedestrian detection, a night vision complex with all-around vision cameras, and many other things. At the same time, the company decided to abandon the now fashionable autopilot.